Hi guys, good morning.
Hi guys, good morning. Today we are making of white vatana, Chonneacho Roce, which is a simple recipe and everybody likes to eat it. So let's get started.
Come, we'll show you the ingredients. As Maria said, a lot of people use kabuli chana to make this recipe, but both she and I like white vatana a lot, white peas. So I have soaked this for 8 hours. I'll also need half a grated coconut, 3 onions, 1 for making the masala, 2 for cooking, 6 Kashmiri chillies, 1 inch of cinnamon tikki, 4 cloves and about 10 peppercorns. That's it. That's all we need to make chana roce. So come, let's see you in the kitchen. We'll start by boiling the chana. I'm throwing the soaking water. We'll give it 3 whistles in the cooker. That much of water is more than enough. See the height above the chane? Come, now we'll give it 3 whistles. While the peas are cooking in the pressure cooker, we'll make the masala for the chana roce. We have to fry onions for that. Come, we'll show you. So we're going to basically fry all our ingredients for the masala. So I'm starting on a high flame. I'll put about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'll let it get hot, then I'll add my onions. Now my oil is quite hot. I'm going to fry that 1 onion I kept separately for making masala. Adding a pinch of salt so that it fries faster. I didn't add any salt in the peas while cooking them, so I can add salt now. Onions are getting quite brown and well fried now, so I'm going to add the chilies and the whole spices. Coconut also goes in, and we will cook this till the coconut is dry. You have to keep an eye, huh? Don't let the coconut burn. Three whistles became, so I put off the gas underneath the cooker. By the time the steam comes out of the cooker, our fried masala will have cooled, ready for putting in the mixer. Patiently fry, huh? All of a sudden the coconut will turn brown. My coconut has dried out quite a lot. I'm not browning it more because it has started sticking at the bottom. But you can fry it more if you want it more brown. No problem. Just make sure that it should not be moist. It should be dry. Now, I will leave this to cool before grinding it in the mixie. Meanwhile, the steam will also come out from the cooker. So see you guys in about 15 minutes. Guys, we are missing a fish curry rice plate and veg rice plate. But it's too hot to step outside. Maria and I are just staying at home all the time, drinking cool drinks. Sometimes one doesn't feel like eating lunch also. We just have some watermelon.
No, because it might rain early. Just as they say, no, April showers bring forth May flowers. So, can't see.
I hope so. I would love to see April showers. I'm getting scared of May. If March is like this, then imagine May.
April has to finish, then May, 2 months more. Then in June. Then in June. We used to play with that one more plant no when we were small. That cockfight, you remember?
Yeah, of course.
That flowers come in April.
Yeah. At least one good thing is now all the fruits are going to start coming. That bean Urak is coming. Cashew,
Urak is already there in the
mango.
market.
So soon Urak?
Yeah, that day I bought.
I was driving back to Goa from Thane, and on Maharashtra border, this is that Sankali side. As you're coming, the cashews start. I saw cashew fruit on only one tree. I was checking them all.
No, cashews are come.
Oh.
If Nero is come, then cashews come.
We'll go to Margaon market and see. That means Neerkonos and all must also be coming now.
Cashews are there in the market. Raw ones, those small bibes are there.
Bibes.
Plus Nero is there. And Urak I bought from here. When only there. Fresh one. I don't know if it's fresh or because I don't know.
Urak I'll buy after Lent. Now how to buy now?
That's right.
After day of Easter, I'll go to Betal Bati and get Urak. We get very good Urak in Betal Bati. Yeah?
That is nice.
You know Anjar, no? For those in the know, Anjar, Betal Bati. Too good.
So what is Easter plan?
Easter plan is Mass and then we'll have a nice lunch. Okay, let's go back to the kitchen. Our masala must have cooled by now for grinding and the steam must have come out from the cooker. We'll check and see if we need to give one more whistle to the peas or if they are ready to go. Come, see you in the kitchen. Now we'll grind all our fried ingredients. We've put adequate water. Since we are making Chonneacho Roce, we can put as much water as we like when mixing. There, our masala for Chonneacho Roce is nicely mixed. Now we'll start frying our onions and making the main dish. Oh, now we'll check if our peas are cooked well. Yeah, looks fine. Perfect it is. Chalo, let's start cooking. Now everything is ready to start making the Chonneacho Roce. Going to put it on a high flame. Just 1 tablespoon of oil. Okay, chalo, 2 tablespoons. Now the oil is hot, so I'm putting the 2 onions we had cut. Again, I'll put a little bit of salt. It just fries faster. Our onions have turned transparent and quite pink. They are about to brown in fact. So now we will add our masala. All the masala we'll take it out with water later. We add our masala and then we add our chone. I'm adding the chane with its water. See the beautiful color of our Chonneacho Roce. When it comes to a boil, it's ready. So I'm going to taste it for salt now. It needs salt. I'm putting a full teaspoon of salt. Such a simple recipe, anybody can make. Even people who are new to cooking, bachelors and spinsters learning to cook for the first time in their hostel is a very easy recipe to make. Now you get frozen grated coconut also so easily in India cities. Give it another taste and I feel it needs still touch more salt. Bas, now it's done. Bas, just waiting for it to come to a boil. Once it's boiled, it's done. My Chonneacho Roce has come to a boil, but Maria is saying she wants to add a special touch. It seems that if we throw in some curry leaves, it will become even more tasty. So that's what we're going to do. Maria's special touch, curry leaves. We let them cook for a minute. That's it. Our Chonneacho Roce is ready to eat with rice for lunch. Maria and I are going to enjoy a lovely Chonneacho lunch today. Enjoy life, guys. Life is very tasty.